Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can change the GoPro image setting and the video quality of each image setting that I will show you in this video. Okay, for example, now if you use the standard mode, you can just make change it just to the pro mode. And to make change it, just scroll down like this and then scroll to the left and select the control and change from your easy control to pro control here, and after that go back and now you will see this setting. Select on it and now you can change resolution, and here is the length that we want to change it. For example, now we want to select it to linear and let's see the result. Okay, so linear is like this, and if you change it to white, and then you will see it's like this. Okay, and we change it to super view, and you will see like this. Linear plus horizon lock. Okay, and that is all for today's video of how you can make change your lens control on your GoPro image setting. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.